Okay, so we are here with
Hunter
and
Laura.
Laura. So okay, as I said before, I'm doing an accent challenge, and the accent will be Jamaican accent.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give you guys a sentence, and you guys are gonna give me your best Jamaican accent.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
So, sentence is ready. You got it. You got it. So you're gonna wait up yourself. There's someone your part beside the general. Oh my god! Oh shit! Wait! Welcome back. Me and the mega public everywhere right now. I'm gonna give a damn. Welcome back to alright. I'm telling you how I get that name. Man. So basically, I vlog today normal as we usually do. I'm gonna just pick up say, yo, you know what? The energy I'm have, it need a title, it need a whole series, and that me I gonna do for that. You see me? You see me? Yeah. Now, for all who new to the channel, welcome. It's a boy, Tyrekevlogs. Subscribe and like the video if you're not new. You see me? And the key to YouTube is being yourself. What go on, baby? Yeah. Now I have a series that I do now. Now my vlog series. I call it Jamaican boy run off in America. Cause be a man this me I do. And guess I go on a while ago. Meet a girl a while ago, right? So she want to go to the mall. Go shopping for some clothes. While be the rightest on the point of sign there. Now if say, baby, come rough dress for less. You see me? And then she come look for me and come tell me, say, she's not having you. What the hell this girl depend having that no having that makes sense? That makes sense? But yeah. Ooh, damn. Baby. Love and I ride for the bicycle. But anyways, being myself as I can see right now. Ah boy. This is a part 2. You know. I'm gonna say but just see all put on some lipstick a while ago. Like how better you gonna look? You're done already. How better you gonna look if you put on a lipstick for you? Well, this one is shy right to some media answer. This is a weird I care though. But anyways. But just see how put on some lipstick a while ago. Watch this madman broke the light. No, everything we see me a comment for that no nah see it. But if you don't watch me, big up yourself. Me like you know. You see me I say no oh me don't love man. So take it off for me. You see me? Oh boy. Beat me grudge them all people. Them drive the most expensive vehicles and the most prettiest thing. But that's because I'm Jamaican bad word right now. No. I'm mad right now. No. BAM! Shop lot class. Class. Oh God! I know I'm not going to stop until somebody call the purpose. I'm one of them days here. But stay tuned. Man is supposed to come in soon. Phone away. Anything happen, pop up my camera and my video some madness. You see me I say? And yeah. I'm kind of going to take a little break. Not really a break because I'm not even going to realize I post every 2 days. So I can take a little break and study for the driving test, yeah. Because I'm complete driving exam, get my license or whatever. So I'm completely different from Jamaican drivers. I'm never license to be a Jamaican. So yeah. You don't know notice because I'm upload every 2 days. So I have a schedule. You see me? I have a schedule for YouTube because I say if I post everything and go on. Not talk about I can't know that. But yeah. Tune in back when somebody got happen. You see me? Oh, damn. Oh, shit. You want to see it? No. It's from my eyes. I have made a severe record. I have made a severe and horrible mistake. To buy the ugliest shoes alive. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Treat everyone name for it to my crooks. Why? Eh? Why? Jano Star, why? Why? No. I buy the ugly shoes, man. Look at me. Yo, no, she watch the channel. Alright, you know what? I put it at backside. Buy it already. Watch it. You don't want to come out. Watch it. Sure. Put her. Hey, go for my foot. Yeah. Sure. Sure. Oh, yes. What? You have one name when them are crooks for it? What? I want this, sir. All that one know me away already. Watch it. What kind of thing them here? Somebody right to say look for me and go let me a madman. Eh? Why? Why? Sure. But me not like to them not good down. Them not good down. Them there yard I couldn't afford them things. I buy them rich and can afford them cheap. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hi. Looking beautiful. Hey, I want people call back to man. See it up on the cheap shows them. See it out. Bills and go on. Bills and go on. Bills and done them. See it out. See it out. You see me I say upgrade. Upgrade. Alright, yeah, I'm done with this now. Hi guys. Hi guys, we're done shopping for me now. Sorry, do this sir. How about that?
How are you?
Like somebody touch your door.
Then let me say the first one touch. What is that?
I better do the man.
Oh. God,
So I go on, let me slippers. Yes, sir. Hey. Hey. You see me? Yeah. My uncle. See me strong with that one. Yeah, man. There you go. Wanna go buy something else? That's actually wait my son, man. I don't want to take care of the car come go now. Pet supplies. Yes, sir. I'm put the bike off wait same time though. Alright. Oh God! She move it same time. I couldn't say grab the first and go on. She move it same time. Wait, you move step and cover or something. What do you mean? Ooh. Yo, I buy the ugliest pair of shoes here. So now I'm going to do now. Where the breeze blow so hard. I'm sure now. I'm going to a workout. I'm workout. I'm going to a model. What name? One model. Whatever one name. Yeah. Anyway, check it out. Okay, so we are here with
Hunter
and
Laura.
So okay, as I said before, I'm doing an accent challenge, and the accent will be Jamaican accent.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give you guys a sentence, and you guys are gonna give me your best Jamaican accent.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
So, sentence is, ready? I saw John yesterday, and he gave me $100.
I saw John yesterday and he gave me $100.
Yeah.
Alright. I saw John yesterday and he gave me $100.
Good try, your chance. Your chance. Good try. Your chance.
My chance.
Yeah.
I saw John yesterday and he gave me $100.
Yeah, the last part, you get the last part of it. Okay, I will tell you guys basically how it's done.
Okay.
So you're going to say, me, see John
John
yesterday,
And
and him give me $100.
and he gave me $100.
Try that. No.
Missy John,
Yes.
and he gave me $100.
Yesterday.
Oh.
Missy John yesterday.
Oh. Missy John yesterday,
Yeah.
and he gave me $100.
Yeah. Thank you guys very much. Okay, guys, have a nice day.